Hi guys, so today I'm at Dollar Tree. You all wanted a video to see where I go shopping to buy my items that I use on my channel, my spoons and all of those things that I shop for. So in the coming weeks I'm going to be sharing with you all footage of where I shop, where I get my items and the things that I purchase. I'm not going to walk the entire Dollar Tree store, but I'm only going to go into the sections that I usually go to shop and get stuff. So guys, this is a paper plate holder. You're gonna get 4 in the pack for $1, and it's so sturdy. You know, when you have picnics and you have a lot of food on that paper plate, it tends to, you can't hold the paper plate properly. This is what you're going to use, and it's reusable, so you can buy a couple and you can always reuse them as long as you're having a lot of get-togethers and you have a lot of picnics. These are going to come in so handy because it's going to keep your plate nice and steady. And I love shopping at Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree, you can get every single item for $1, and I only come here for the baby section and the kitchen section and maybe a few things from the snack section. Oh, and they have some good cleaning products here also. So this entire lane is cleaning products. So you have, when you come Dollar Tree, and they also have a nice section where you can get gift bags and all the gift supplies, even baby and bridal shower items. You can get it at Dollar Tree. They have a huge selection of bags, so you can get your Ziploc bags, your sandwich bags, your quart bags, gallon. All of these foil containers, they are $1 each. Some of them come like 2 or 3 in the pack, and you still get it for $1. The foil paper, the plastic wrap, the wax paper, everything is $1. It's Dollar Tree, so everything is $1. All of the containers, look, you can get 3 containers here for $1. I like to buy this and keep, so that if I have guests and they want to take something home, I can give them that without giving them my very expensive bowls. Their kitchen section with their mittens, their dishcloths, all of the utensils that you use in the kitchen, everything, $1. Splatter screen, everything. All of the plastic utensils, and I love these Betty Crocker stuff. They're really good. The scissors, I have like 4 or 5 of the scissors in my house because that's what I use to cut stuff. Okay, so one of the most important things I come here for is this thermal bag. So what I do is, if I'm taking stuff to Trinidad, because my sister loves the sausages that we get out here, I would freeze it, put it in this, and it will stay frozen until I reach Trinidad. Here they have a big glass selection, and I come here and I get my glasses when I have to do my staging and my prep for my recipes. Look, they even have these cute Coca-Cola glasses. Mason jars. I like buying these jars up on top here. They work great for pepper sauce. And they have some really cute bowls and plates. You probably would have seen me using them when I take my pictures of my food. They have their pantry section with a selection of food items. They have a wide range of pantry items, breakfast items, everything for. So guys, you see all of the cleaning products, from dish soap to your detergent that you would use in your dishwasher, shower cleaner, plumber. I want to share with you all something that I use, and it's this oven cleaner here. If you have pots or pans, you know, when you fry a lot of stuff, even your tower where you use a lot of oil, and you know, sometimes that oil tends to burn and get stuck to the tower or the pot. All you have to do is, when the pot or the tower is hot, You spray it with this oven cleaner. You're going to leave it a little while, but trust me, when you go to scrub off that oil, it's going to come right off. Here is the candy aisle. So here we have the bag or the gift bag aisle, and I like purchasing these, and I always have all of these on hand so that when guests come over or if I need to give someone something, I always have a nice bag to give them it in. And remember, as I said, everything is $1. Here we have some things you can use for your wedding and your bridal shower. Then we have for a baby shower. They even have dollies. You know, long ago you would have those dollies that you would put on your table and then put your plates on. Oh guys, look what they have. I need to get some of this. I actually bought it before. These are like cups that you can put, and it comes with the cover. And I like to buy this because I can put, like, if I'm making pylori or doubles or anything that contains a sauce and I need to give it to someone else, you can put it in this, and it comes with a cover, and it actually sits really, it snaps on so tight and nothing is going to spill out of the cup. So I'm gonna get myself a couple of these. They have a wide selection of your plate, flatware and tableware. So they have different colors from white, black, purple, green, red, blue, orange, yellow, pink. I like getting these storage containers. These are the storage containers that I would put my small spices in, or any loose items that I have or packages that I have opened. This is what I use. It comes with a cover, so you get the container and the cover for $1. Pregnancy test, $1, and trust me, it works because I've tried it.
Home store brands. I know that you guys have a Bounty, which I usually buy like 20, 30 or something.
Yeah. Bounty's worth it too.
Yeah. That's why I buy it and resell it.
Oh, that's what is your store?
Thank you.
Oh my god.